Morning, everyone. My name is Mike. I am a retired electrician, and I'm here to show you how to connect a smart H three-way switch. This is our traditional three-way switches where you have your line coming into the first switch, then you have your travelers going to your second switch, and then you have your load wire going to the light. Okay, so we have here two dimmer switches, and they're both three ways. And the first thing you want to do is identify the three-way switch that has the load. So the load is usually coming in from the top, going out into the light. This is our load wires right here. Okay, so how we connect the three-way module to the old wiring is you look here. The red wire is your load, which you connect to the black, and this is going to your light. The whites are called the neutrals. That's easy. Connect all the whites to the whites. And then we have the yellow wire connects to our traveler T1, and then our black wire connects to our traveler T2, and that's the load side. Okay, so now we'll go to the line side of the switch where the power comes into the first three-way switch box. And once you find your line wire, you connect it to this black wire that's called line on the module. Okay. Then you connect your line wire, the whites, all the neutrals together. And then you'll go to this yellow wire that connects to our traveler T1. And then, most importantly, this red wire is capped. You do not use it on the first module. And that's how you connect this smart switch. So this allows you to dim the light from one side of the room or the other side of the room. So right now, I'm going to dim the light from the right side of the room. Then I'm going to go over to the left side of the room and I'm going to increase the dimness. The other option is you can just turn the light off from the left side of the room, and you could turn the light back on the right side of the room. Okay, so we have another option here where you have two three-way switches. One could be a dimmer and one could be just a regular three-way switch. So you could turn the light on or off from one side of the room and then on from the other side. Now with this dimmer switch, it's got two buttons on the side. You can increase the dimness or you can reduce the dimness, and then you can shut the light off. And then you could walk over to the other side of the room and just turn the light on. But again, you can only dim the light from one side.